Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reset your login password in Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see firstly what we have in front of us. So the screen that we are on at the moment is your profile screen. We have the tab with your messages. We have the tab where you can go and put your own stuff on Likee. We have this Explore, and we have here where you can see the For You page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reset your login password in Likee. So first of all, you need to go to the fifth and last tab, which is your profile tab. When you are there, you just need to go and click on the top right corner, which are the three dots. So do not click on the eye icon, click on the three dots in the top right corner. After that, you will have 5 options. You have Share, Wallet, Creator Center, QR Code, and the Settings option. Of course, what you need to click on is the Settings option. Here, you'll have a lot of things, as you can see, which you can go and change. But for now, of course, what you want to go and click on is Privacy, where guys, you can go and change your password in the privacy section. Basically, this is where you can go and do it, of course, privacy, and of course, when you do it, you'll have your new resetted password. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.